Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today we actually have a BattlBox subscription. I actually canceled my order from BattlBox, and all of a sudden I actually got an email from them that, hey, we subscribed you for the month of whatever, and I got a box. And before I could cancel it, it got shipped out. So we ended up talking to them. They were very friendly with their customer service. Like, hey, we apologize. Told us the steps to, so it wouldn't happen again, which isn't that big of a deal. So now we're gonna do this BattlBox opening here. Once again, I've always had, with the boxes I've got from them, have been super great and fantastic. So kudos to BattlBox, for that. And they said if I didn't want this, I could, they would refund my money. But I was like, I'm fine with this. It's not that big of a deal. So I already opened it up because I wanted to see what it is. Because actually, when the email notification I got, I wanted to make sure it matched up with what was in the box. So because I wasn't sure if it was one of the special boxes or if it was the monthly box. So, and it was the monthly basic box that they have. So the first thing we have right here are these organic roasted pumpkin seeds. Pretty good. You get 9 grams of protein, 170 calories for the first serving. So these are going to be really good. I do know that weather's starting to turn better in Ohio, where I live. We do have the crickets and the other stuff that I'm going to have me and my brother try. When we do film this, it will be outside just in case if someone gets sick. So that video will be coming later on this spring for you guys. So the second thing we have right here is called the Be Smart Get Prepared First Aid Kit. And as you can see, this is a pretty good sized first aid kit with a handle. Kind of tells you what you have. So I'll get this close. I'll hit focus here. So if you want to pause the video and see what's in there. Well, actually a lot of great stuff. I mean, this would definitely be kind of good to have to put in a car because it's so very small and compactable. Or if you're in an office setting where, you're able to put one of these in your desk, it's always good to have. So very nice little first aid kit. Just gonna have to decide where am I gonna put this. So, and it also kind of has the drug facts. As I knocked the camera, and I apologize for that focus here. So it kind of tells you, the drug fast of the burn cream, the towelettes. But yeah, this is kind of a nice little first aid kit. By the way, sorry to go back to the seeds. This is a $2.39 for the seeds. They're saying this first aid kit. Everything that you get in here is a $24.99. So that's actually for the amount of stuff, definitely, it's definitely good. And it also says outdoor camping and hiking. So nice little one to have here. The next thing we have right here is the Lord & Field Trial Notes Leather Notepad. They're saying that this notepad is $27.99. And the total value of this, I'm going to open this up, is they're saying it's $67.32. So, which isn't bad, but this is actually very nice quality leather. Comes with the notepad, but you could definitely put, I think probably See, if you were going to use this, put business cards in there, if put money in there, you could put your books, the notepads in there, put a pen or however you want to do this. But this is actually like a very good kind of high quality, and as you can see right there. But this is definitely kind of nice. This is something you could kind of use for work, if you get like the smaller notepads and stuff, what you could put in there. So I'm actually like this. This is probably something I'm actually going to probably put in my work bag. And as you can see, there's actually a buffalo kind of like pressed into this, but this is really nice. And I'm probably going to maybe have to hide this away from my wife, maybe, or even my dad. He might like this and maybe want this, but if one of them wants it, I'll give it to him because it's okay. My wife knows I have enough of these kind of laying around. So, and then the last thing we have are these Typhoon matches, and they're by Zippo here. So you get a total of 15 with a water resistant case, and it says equipped for any forecast. This match kit is ready for any adventure in a heavy-duty construction sealed strike pad. Keep your Typhoon matches protected in one place. So it kind of tells you they're, water resistant storage, flotation in water, texture grip, definitely. And that's just from the container here that I'm reading off to the side here, and not the matches and stuff, but everything what this is. Pocket size and that, but I think we'll have to do a video of these. I'll back this up just to kind of see, how these kind of light. But what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna pull them out of here and put them in here, and we'll kind of get everything out there for you. The rest thing, that's just an advertisement there, but stay tuned. Okay guys, where we were getting stuff ready, we shot the thumbnail on that. This leather thing is really good. I just want to read a little excerpt from the thing that you get from it, and it's called, this is a Mission 49. It's called Sit Rep Back to the Basics. But just to kind of talk about this, it says this is a high quality stitched leather Lord and Field trailed notes leather notepad. This passport sized leather notepad is the perfect for keeping tracks of projects, sketching out your newest ideas, or when you are supposed to be taking notes at that important meeting. Inside pocket for cards, 30 sheets of grid paper that is included. So this is really good. So I mean, for a passport, I just renewed I'm getting my passport renewed because it's going to be out of date come April. So once I get my passport in, I'll do a video just to kind of show how this kind of lines up in here, because this, I think, would maybe be something good for an EDC, to where you could put certain items in here with your passport. So I'll have to do some thinking on that, but that'll be, got a vacation coming up down the road, but we'll definitely kind of show you kind of what we do for that. So the one thing too, this survival first aid kit here is 100 and I believe 28 pieces. It has a lot of stuff. Like, me and my wife were going through it and looking at it, and there is everything from a cold, like an ice pack there. There's gauze, there's lip balm, there's sting relief, there's poison ivy stuff in here. There's the surgical gloves, there's a lot of bandages and gauze. But this is it's like a 128 piece set. And this is like a really good first aid kit, especially like I said on the box for camping, hiking, and that. So definitely, this is a nice little first aid kit. So I might have to maybe pick up another one just to maybe, put in, my wife's vehicle or someone else's vehicle that could use just a quick, simple, basic first aid kit, whatever. So, but I think for this being, $24.95 with all the stuff you get in there for poison ivy and stuff, I think it's a really good thing. These are going to be pretty good. I'll have to try these. Maybe I'll throw these in when we're doing the crickets and that. But really kind of excited about the Zippo thing here, just to kind of talk about. So we opened it up, and you just kind of turn this here, and then you have, the matches in there. And then that's just a soft rubber thing. But then at the bottom, you pop this tab off here, and then that's the striker of it. So, and it comes with some extra, I think they're extra striker pads, but this is very good. I mean, it's kind of big and bulky, and, if you're walking, it makes some noises, but we're probably going to do a video just to kind of do a test of how this is, because they say you could put this in water, and some other things. So I think we'll put it through as test in a video to see how good this is, and is it worth it to buy. I got it with the box, but this is definitely kind of a nice thing to have. But that's it. Good box. I really like it. Am I gonna continue to get BattlBox? As of right now, no. I did stop it. Maybe I was meant to get this box, so maybe to start doing these again. But I'm gonna put this in you guys' hand right in the comment section down below. If you guys want me to do these BattlBox that, or find another subscription, or do you guys want me to create my own like I used to do when the other subscription company, I'm not going to say their name, when they weren't, following up on their product, especially what it paid for and that. So you guys kind of let me know. I have a lot of people put in their great ideas for when I finished up BattlBox earlier this year, you know, it was almost about a 50-50 and stuff, saying yes, you should continue, or you know what, maybe stop, it might not be worth it. So that's going to conclude this video. I'm actually very excited for this. A lot of great stuff. Yeah, it's only 4 pieces, you know, it's 5 piece between the first aid, the Zippo, the matches, the passport size, and the little note card or whatever. But really good you know, subscription box for this. So I'm going to wrap this up. Write down below what you guys think. If you guys enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.